Let's get started with the Apple Watch.
I'd like to introduce the next generation of Apple Watch. Apple Watch Series 4. And the screens are significantly larger. In fact, they're over 30% larger. Next, the digital crown's been completely re-engineered, and it now includes haptic feedback, giving you a more responsive and mechanical feel. Well, Series 4 has a next-generation accelerometer and gyroscope. Next, Apple Watch Series 4 can detect a fall. And this is the first ECG product offered over-the-counter directly to consumers. This is what you see on the watch face, that Series 4 has the same 18-hour all-day battery life that our customers enjoy on Apple Watch. Apple Watch Series 4 with GPS starts at $399. Series 4 with cellular starts at $499. You can order Series 4 starting Friday, and it will be available the following Friday, September 21st. And watchOS 5, the most advanced wearable operating system, will be available on September 17th.
Now let's talk about iPhone XS. It is the most advanced iPhone we've ever created.
iPhone XS comes in 3 finishes: gold, silver, and space gray. Well, the iPhone XS is not just one, but 2 sizes of display. The 5.8-inch and a new 6.5-inch Super Retina display. One thing we've had requests for is dual SIM capability. Into iPhone XS and XS Max, we built a technology called DSDS, or dual SIM, dual standby. To enable that, we've added our eSIM technology. We will have a single physical SIM and an eSIM in both iPhone XS and XS Max. They are packed with so many new advancements. Our next generation 7-nanometer A12 Bionic chip. The A12 Bionic just powers so many incredible new experiences. And that includes the camera. It has a 12-megapixel wide camera, a 12-megapixel telephoto camera. On the front side, we have the True Depth camera system. And that's a new sensor as well, a 7-megapixel sensor that's twice as fast. Face ID works remarkably well. In fact, we're proud to say it is the most secure facial authentication ever in a smartphone. iPhone XS is able to, compared to iPhone X, get you up to 30 minutes longer in your day. iPhone XS Max has the biggest battery we've ever put into an iPhone, and it can get you up to an hour and a half longer in your day. We want to reach as many customers as we can with this incredible technology. So that's why we are very excited to show you one more iPhone, the iPhone XR. This display is really what strikes you, though. It's an LCD display. This is the most advanced LCD ever in a smartphone. And it has a great new camera system as well. It's a single camera system. It's a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera. Well, iPhone XR gives you up to an hour and a half more in your day than the iPhone 8 Plus. This is a huge day for iPhone. We now have iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR, 3 new models of iPhone. iPhone XR will come in 6 finishes and in 3 sizes: 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, and 256 gigabytes of storage. And it will start at $749. iPhone XS will come in 3 configurations: 64 gigs, 256 gigs, and that new 512 gigabyte storage capacity. It starts at $999. An iPhone XS Max, same 3 configurations, with just $100 more, starting at $1099. You can start pre-ordering on Friday, September 14th, and they'll ship a week later, September 21st. So this holiday, we have an unbelievable lineup of iPhones. iPhone 7 starts now at just $449, and there are models of iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. iPhone 8 at $599, models of 8 and 8 Plus. The brand new iPhone XR starting at $749, XS at $999, and XS Max at $1099. They're all running iOS 12, the world's most advanced mobile operating system.
Now, before we close this morning, I've got a few more updates to give you. We've got an update to the HomePod, our breakthrough home speaker. So now when you add a second HomePod to create a stereo pair, it creates this incredible wide immersive soundstage. You'll be able to search for your favorite songs by lyrics, create multiple timers, make and receive phone calls right from your HomePod. Also, we'll be shipping a new update to tvOS with support for Dolby Atmos for Apple TV 4K. Both the HomePod and the tvOS updates will be available on Monday, September 17th. And then the following week, we've got a great new update for the Mac with macOS Mojave. All new dark mode and updates to desktop and Finder, enhanced privacy and security, and a completely redesigned Mac App Store. macOS Mojave will be available on September 24th. We hope that you love these new products as much as we do. I'd like to thank everyone for joining us this morning, including those watching us online. And I'd especially like to thank all the people at Apple who made this magical day possible. Thank you.